They're averaged out over time. In fact, there are some days where the market just simply doesn't go anywhere. I mean, you've seen it. If you've been watching the videos for any length of time. In fact, just today I was expecting the market to trade up, and it went absolutely nowhere. We're going to take a look at that today. So there was just no money to be made today. So you've got to put everything into perspective, number one. And number two, you've just got to cut yourself some slack. I realize that some people may be under some financial pressures, but to try and go into the market with those financial pressures and expect yourself to make a fortune is just putting too much pressure on yourself, and it's not realistic. So I really just wanted to get that out of the way. I wanted to make sure that I cleared the air with that. Hopefully I've answered that particular question for you. Is it possible? Yes, it is, if you follow the plan. And that's not being cagey. Hopefully you've realized by now that what the insider code is not is another black box, red and green light system. I can't tell you how many people I've coached over the last 3 years who have bought some supposedly easy software that will make the market boil down to some red and green arrows, and they couldn't make money with that. This course is about getting you the skills to trade so you can set yourself free. And believe me, when you have the skills to trade, you can go into virtually any market at any time and very quickly make virtually unlimited amounts of money. So just cut yourself some slack, take it easy, and let the process go. Go back to the last webinar that I did where I covered the earning curve. Review, I believe it's on disc number 8, where I go through what I call the 1-year retirement plan. The 1-year retirement plan, simply put, is where at the end of the year, if you follow the plan and you're going according to the plan, you have proven yourself to have the skills in order to make money in the marketplace. And at that point, in my opinion, you are retired. Because most people, when they think of retirement, they're simply thinking, I don't have to go to work, or I don't have to go into my business. I'm free from the pressures of having to make money. My investments can make enough money for me to live on, or I've gotten to the point where I'm debt-free, and I don't have to worry about having to make money in the future in order to pay bills. Well, if you have the skills to trade, you're in the same boat. Because you can go into the marketplace as long as you can connect to the marketplace and make money virtually at will. So let's move on. Let's go into very quickly transition here into the markets. And what I want to talk about, and actually when I had first named this webinar, it really was with counter-trend trading in mind. Most traders would call this channel trading, which is why I did a little play on words, too hot for TV, the money channel. The keys to counter-trend trading, number one, is the time of the day. You're going to want to see that the market is holding support or resistance during the times when there's a lot of activity, and I'm going to get into the reasons why as we get into the charts. And then you want to make sure that you have an easy-to-identify range. And again, the reason why you want an easy-to-identify range is because you want other traders also looking at that level. So we're going to take a look first at the time of the day, and we're going to take a look at how the momentum will give us some clues on what's going on, and then we're going to talk about how to identify some of these ranges. I'll give you a couple of tricks that I've learned over the years that help me to gauge some of the limits of where the market can move. Let me grab a quick drink here. Okay, excuse me. So, to the charts. Let me go ahead and switch this over here. Ensign. Okay. Let me just move that up a bit.